welcome back. It's Miss Becca, and you're here for story time. I'm so glad you came back for another story. How is everybody doing today? I'm so glad. I'm doing good too. So, I'm excited for another story time. Story time. I love a good story. Do you love a good story? Yes. Let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. It's called Don't Push the Button! Exclamation point. And it's written, the author, and illustrated by Bill Cotter. All right, let's get started. Okay, so don't push the button. Look at him on the front cover. Do you think he's gonna follow directions? Look at his face. Do you think he's gonna push the button? You do? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. Here's our button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Does don't mean yes, push the button? Or does it mean no, don't push the button? If you think it means yes, I want you to clap your hands. I didn't hear any clapping. Okay. If you think it means no, I want you to rub your belly. Good job. I see you rubbing your belly. It means no, don't. Seriously, don't even think about it. He's thinking about it. Are you thinking about it? I'm thinking about it too. Let's find out. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Let's think about it. Think about it, guys. Should we follow directions? Or should we not? No, we can't. We mustn't. But we want to. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna push it? I'm gonna push it. Boop. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. I don't know. Should we push it again? Tell me. Should we push it again? Huh? I can't hear you. Louder. Okay. Boop. Eek. Look at him now. Now I'm all yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Twice means 2. Should I push it twice? Okay. 1, 2. Now there's 2 of me. 1, 2. Push it a bunch of times. Help me, guys. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. What did we do? There are so many. Let's see. We're gonna shake the book to get rid of all of the extra Larrys. We gotta shake it to get rid of all these guys. Look at this one. They're having so much fun. He doesn't look too happy. What about him? Larry's like, oh no, what do I do? All right, so you have to help me shake. Just shake your body and help me shake all the Larrys away. Because it's not gonna work if I don't have your help. Are you ready to shake? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Did we do it? Nope, there's still more. Keep shaking, guys. Whew. Did we do it? We did it. We did it, guys. Good job. High five. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. All right, do you guys remember what color he was first? What color was he? I heard someone say purple. You're right, he was purple first. So we gotta get him back to purple. Here we go. Tickle his tummy. Tickle, 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 tickle. That tickles. Okay. Whew. Is he better? He's back to purple. Much better. Let's not push the button again. Right, guys? Let's not do that again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple of more pushes. Are we gonna push the button? We have to find out what happens, right? Let's push it. He wants us to. Go ahead, push the button. Boop, boop, boop. Look what happened. The end. Look how big. He's huge. And there's lots of more. What was his name again? Yes, Larry. Lots of Larrys. Haha, so much fun. Look at this guy up here. Is he parachuting? Yeah. They're on parachutes. They're flying down from the sky. Woohoo! The end. What a good story. Don't push the button. So, in the beginning of the story, we might not have followed the directions, which led to Larry changing and multiplying into lots of Larrys because we didn't follow directions. But when Larry wanted to fix everything, did we follow directions? We did. Yes, you're right. We did follow directions. The end of the story, which got Larry back to Larry, right? And then he asked us to push it because we had so much fun. And did we follow directions then? Yes, we did. And it got us to the end of our story. So yeah, in the beginning, we didn't because we were curious. But then in the end, we did follow directions. So, don't forget, it's very important to follow directions. Okay, when you're doing something or when you're learning something or listening to somebody, it's very important to follow directions, right? And by us not following directions, it got him into a little trouble. But it was fun. It was a fun story. So, I hope you enjoyed that one. I can't wait for our next one. Next time, I'm going to have a little surprise for you for story time. So you gotta come back and see what I'm gonna have. It's a little surprise. I hope you guys are gonna like it. Until next time, bye! High five.